What if the store shelves were empty tomorrow? Would your backyard be enough to feed your family? In the next 2.5 minutes, I'll show you how prepping starts with a single seed, and how gardening can give you food, confidence, and control. For preppers, gardening isn't a pastime, it's a pillar of self-reliance. Growing your own food means you're not depending on supply chains, delivery apps, or rising grocery prices. It means nutrient-rich meals, control over what you eat, and skills that last a lifetime. In a crisis, seeds are currency, fresh produce is medicine, and a garden, that's freedom. You don't need a homestead. A raised bed, a few grow bags on the balcony, that's all it takes. Focus on calorie crops, potatoes, beans, carrots. These grow deep, store well, and keep you full. Add fast growers like radishes and leafy greens for quick wins. Use companion planting, smart pairings keep pests away and maximize every inch. Don't overlook herbs like basil, rosemary, or mint. They're edible, medicinal, and natural pest repellents. A survival garden needs more than seeds. It needs systems. Set up rain barrels, compost your scraps, reuse, recycle, regenerate, and well, give it 10 minutes a day. Just a little effort every day. Gardening builds more than vegetables. It builds resilience. Plants won't grow overnight, but your confidence will. Start now, one seed, one pot, 1 square foot. It's not about prepping for the end, it's about preparing to live. Your backyard is your first line of defense, and your first step toward freedom. Subscribe for more practical prepping, from home to wild, now to future. Because resilience doesn't wait for permission, you grow it.